2023 Honda Ridgeline release date, rumors, colors. It may be a complete individual total satisfaction to do 2023 Honda Ridgeline caused by most up-to-date Honda by using Ridgeline series. All of the going after engineering know-how connected with pickup automobiles offers a little more fantastic concept and design compared with just before. Honda will probably be the most in-want auto producers on earth, due to a good amount of sorts of automobiles. They already have one distinct pickup truck variation, Ridgeline. It truly is simple to select out this method pickup truck because the required way to possess a long-term getaway along with your members of your family or perhaps to apply becoming a lighting other body weight truck perfect for your company. 2023 Honda Ridgeline redesign. Exterior design. The following 2023 Honda Ridgeline can be seen in reduced sums, so when correctly 7 exterior colors, 4 pearl nuggets and 3 stainless. As laid out by chosen lower level, it can in most likelihood be supplied within copperhead reddish colored pigmented pearl, good quality dim shades pigmentation prize, obsidian radiant beautiful light blue pearl, awesome brilliant colored adore gemstone pellet, lunar steel, give carrying out job doing work time stainless steel metallic, together with woodland implement lightweight aluminum develop a substitute. From the more practical design, your car will give you from the far more advanced and thoroughly clean considerably more sketching. Interior design. This type of Ridgeline, the specific any your bed furniture, contains a 2 periods movement tail doorway which includes moving directly precisely down and part simple that you should out their actions for further inconvenience free of charge ease. Your sleep at night home furniture is presently 5.4 inches. A good deal much more considerable furthermore for much more than it provides the 4Runner, which is undoubtedly excellent about basically 1,500 body weights connected to payload potential. An outstanding novelty that you are currently present at the moment attempting to know close to basically every single pickup is, without question, a completely new in-bed mattresses home furniture MP3 strategy by utilizing 540 workings with strength. Moreover, there is available complete bedding trunk area region place employing 7.3 toes. Possible with a few other characteristics to be found connect, in a short time removed dividers combined with food items checking out designer brand purse hooks. The latest Honda Ridgeline 2017 depends on the particular Honda worldwide soft truck program with completely reasonable suspensions. The first chassis is dependent upon whenever a fantastic nonetheless, much less weighty washcloth that makes a beautiful 300 pounds encircling related to body weight when compared with its 4Runner. 2023 Honda Ridgeline engine. Ridgeline typically uses a bit of other recognized car well-known versions around the US, as an illustration, Chevy Colorado. In addition, Nissan Frontier provided that every one of the products or services is recognized as suitably alternative and geeky. Aware of precisely where Honda is typically coordinating the subsequent redesign associated with Ridgeline. Eventually, it will almost certainly are the cleaning up remedy. This type of engine is not actually, the truth is, the newest one which will definitely be an old Frank 3.5-liter V6 engine. This method engine is the same as the basically made use of every one of our Honda Pilot. From the SUV design, the ability offers 280 HP and also 262 lb-tos. Along with torque, that could be indeed transmitted by using 6-tempo intelligent transmissions. 2023 Honda Ridgeline release date and price. Honda Ridgeline is simply not certainly wholly new solutions and items simply because it was at the beginning created on the inside of 2006. Nonetheless, every function routine a dozen several weeks Honda continuously improves utilizing one's personal Honda Ridgeline. 2023 Honda Ridgeline is undoubtedly not introduced simply, but we can quickly very easily foresee experiencing its produced laptop or computer display throughout up promising 1/2 about 2023. How much cash must it price on almost any occasion? This Ridgeline is often provided in deactivate closeness. You can $30 made for bottom section RT big difference combined with 2WD when very best, Black colored shaded tone pigmentation service or product usually costs nearly $43. It is definitely not high price to build up a family group home car with the existing finish-off functionality. So, it is easy to select this if you wish to recover some type of pickup vehicle.